Have you ever been frustrated by a pesky error message while trying to implement Google ReCaptcha? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into the Uncaught DOMException, block to frame with origin error and how to fix it. I totally get it. It can be incredibly annoying when you follow all the instructions and yet something still goes wrong. This error can leave you scratching your head wondering what you missed. Let's take a closer look at the specific issue at hand. One user recently asked, "Why am I getting the Uncaught DOMException error when trying to use Google ReCaptcha?" They mentioned that they followed Google's instructions, but the error still appeared. Sound familiar? Let's figure this out together. So what does this error mean? The Uncaught DOMException typically indicates a security issue related to cross-origin frames. This can happen if the ReCaptcha script is not loaded correctly, or if there are issues with the site key. And stick around. I have a crucial tip at the end that will help you avoid this error in the future. To address the Uncaught DOMException error, the user should first check the configuration of their ReCaptcha implementation. Ensure that the site key is correctly set up in the HTML. Next, the user should confirm that the ReCaptcha script is being loaded correctly. This script should be placed at the top of the page to ensure it loads before the ReCaptcha element. The user should also check the browser's console for any additional errors or warnings that might indicate issues with cross-origin requests. This can help identify if there are any other underlying problems. Additionally, the user should ensure that their website is served over HTTPS. ReCaptcha requires a secure connection to function properly, and using HTTP can lead to this error. Finally, if the issue persists, the user may want to review their server settings or consult the ReCaptcha documentation for any specific requirements related to their implementation. Fun fact: did you know that ReCaptcha was originally designed to help digitize books? That's right. Every time you solve a ReCaptcha, you're helping to make the internet a better place. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests changing all HTTP protocols on your page to use double slashes. For example, replace http://example.com with /example.com. This adjustment can help resolve the DOMException error. Let's check out another perspective from a different user. An alternative solution highlights the importance of the same origin policy in web security. This policy restricts scripts from accessing data across different origins. The user suggests that the issue may arise because your server is blocking external resources like ReCaptcha. To resolve this, you can adjust your server's settings. You can allow any resource to access your server by setting access control allow origin to a wildcard, or specifically allow Google by setting it to https://.google.com. Here's that crucial tip I promised. Always double-check your site key and ensure your site is secure. This simple habit can save you from future headaches. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to resolve the Uncaught DOMException error and get your ReCaptcha working smoothly. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and remember to keep your site secure.